In this video, I'm gonna go over 3 places that are absolutely the best to find profitable books to sell on Amazon. And if you stay until the end of this video, I'm gonna give you a pro tip that's definitely gonna make you more money in your FBA book business. So, place number 1 is the back room of a library. And just know when I'm giving these sources away, I'm not talking about like, obviously if a college closes down nearby you, and you go to their bookstore and buy all their textbooks at 10% of market value, you're gonna make 20 grand profit in 1 weekend. I'm not talking about sources like that. Those are once in a lifetime. If you guys want more kind of information on stuff like that, be sure to subscribe to the channel because I drop information like that from time to time. But I'm talking about on average things you can do today in your city. Any medium to large size city and even small towns are gonna have these sources. So that's what I'm talking about here. So source number 1 is at the library. You're gonna pick up the phone and call every library within a 50-mile radius of you, and you're gonna say, hey, do you guys have books for sale? And if they do have books for sale, drive to the library. And you can even ask them on the phone, do you have like a back room of donated books that I could look through? If any of them say yes to that question, get a Lamborghini because you need a fast car because you gotta get across town in time to go scan those damn books. And I promise you, it's going to be like one of the best sourcing sessions you've ever had. If you get backroom access at a library, I'm not talking about the books, Friends of the Library group out in the front floor. I'm talking about in the back closet. That is gold mine. So that is source number 1. Source number 2 is a public library sale. This is the second best source on average that you can do over and over again. So I would go to booksalefinder.com. You don't have to call. Put every library that is on that website in your state on your calendar within, I'd say like within a 200-mile radius, and hit up all of those, put all of them in your calendar every time they come through. Show up early, be sure to buy the members of the library early bird access, 15, 20 bucks. Get there during the pre-sale, ask when the pre-sale is, show up, and those are great too. You can make a lot of money at those as well. So that is number 2. Number 3 is gonna be, and also, by the way, booksalefinder.com, you should go to all those libraries, but you should also call every library within, I'd say within a 100-mile radius of you and ask if they have library sales happening soon. The library sales that are advertised on Book Sale Finder, but not advertised at your local library, are gonna be worse than the libraries that are at your local library. They're having a big library sale, but they're not a Book Sale Finder. These are gonna be better because less competition. Number 3 is a private estate sales on the rich side of town. So just go to estatesales.net. I think it's estatesales.net, estatesalefinder.net, and put all of those in your calendar Friday, Saturday morning, drive through, make sure it's on the rich side of town. You can go to the other side of town too, but you guys know how it is. Like rich people have more books. And yeah, just make them an offer, $2, $3 for each book, pay them a premium. You could go probably lower than that, but that's gonna be one of your best sources as well. So the pro tip I had for you guys is when you're going out sourcing books, a lot of times people are gonna come across a book on Scout IQ or Scoutly that say, they're gonna scan it and it's gonna say not profitable, it's only like $1 profit. But the reason why it's not profitable is because the low merchant fulfilled price is, let's just say $9, and the buy box is $9, and there's no FBA offers, and the apps don't know that you could sell the book for $5 more because there's no FBA offers. When there's no FBA offers, that means if you buy the book, you send it to FBA, you can sell the book for $15, even though the lowest price is $9. Why? Because there's no FBA offers, right? If there was, for that same $9 book, if somebody had sent in a $15 profit FBA book, let's say a month before, and it was currently active at Amazon, then when you scan the book with your scanning app, it's gonna compare to the $15 price, it's gonna tell you $7 profit. Okay, so you're gonna take the book when there's $7 profit, when there's competition, but you're not gonna take the book when there's no competition and there's only a $9 buy box. But it's actually, that scenario is actually better than this scenario, because in this scenario, you have another $15 seller to compete against. In this scenario, you don't. You can send in the book at $20 and you'll buy box probably. So that's my pro tip. If you guys like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Much love. Catch you in the next video. Peace.